Hello everyone, this is Rishabh Kotiyal, your cloud security coach. As you guys know, I am a Microsoft certified trainer and we are bringing you a public session on the Microsoft Sentinel. So this will be a beginner to the intermediate level of the session where we will be talking about how you can go ahead and deploy your Microsoft Sentinel. You will be learning how the out of the box connectors, you will be connecting with that, how you will be fetching the data in there, how you will go ahead and analyze that data. If any incident occur, how you are gonna go ahead and handle that incident, solve that incident, and we'll be learning a bit about the threat hunting in the Microsoft Sentinel itself. Now guys, as you know, Microsoft Sentinel is a technology which is emerging in the market day by day very rapidly, and everyone wants to go ahead and understand that what is Microsoft Sentinel. So if you want to go ahead and gain yourself an insight, you can go ahead, enroll in our sessions, and the benefit of that will be by the end of the session, you will be able to go ahead, take the Microsoft skill exam and have a Microsoft validate skill to show in your resume itself. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys will be enrolling in our Microsoft Sentinel sessions.